So today we set up a test with the MIG welding process: flat, vertical down, and overhead. These are the three processes that most plants and fabrication shops are looking for in Arkansas, from central to northwest to southeast. Most of them are looking in the MIG welding process. They are looking for you to run the beads in a flat position, 1 pass or 3 pass, vertical down, overhead, or it's going to be overhead and vertical up, and that's with flux core. So, but this is a MIG welding process, which is real easy to get involved in. You can make anywhere from $16 to $20 MIG welding. So it's one of the easiest process to master, but I think that you really have to practice it, really get it down. So that's what we're about to do now. What we did was we set it up where he already got his staggers. So all they gotta do is tie in root, filler, filler. Root, filler, filler. Root, filler, filler. He's gonna do them all in all positions. And this is gonna make him equipped to be able to go out and get this employment, get this job, fast track employment quicker, because he's already mastered the processes. And that's what I like to teach. I wanna find what the companies in the area are looking for, and then we'll train the students around what they are looking for, so that way they can dive straight into employment. Hold on.